Hi guys, for today's quick tutorial, we're going to be learning how to change the layout of your blog feed. So let's get right into it. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Now go to Pages and menu on the left and go to Blog Pages. Then select Blog. Click on your blog post element and then go to Settings. And on this small window, go to Layout. By the way, you have two tabs over here, one for the all posts feed and one for the category feed. And you can set the layout, tweak each of their settings because each of them can display a different layout on their own. Anyway, feel free to select a layout you'd like to use. Down below, you'll see even more options such as image resizing, ratio, alignment, and proportions. You can also select your text alignment and tweak or fine tune more settings here according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done working on your all posts feed, you can then move on to your category feed and do the same thing. So once you're done working on it, you can then close the window and hit publish so that the changes you've made will also reflect on your live site. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.